So it's not one of those, it's not either or on those, but it's about the choices we make within the framework of those. And I think it comes down to avoiding certain types of foods. And frankly, I know from experience as a vegan, there's a lot more junk food, harmful vegan, vegetarian foods, plant-based foods than there are animal-based foods. And I'm eating plant-based. I really have to pay attention.
Yeah, I mean, because there's so many things out there that are marketed as healthy. It'll say plant-based, gluten-free, this, that, or the other. It's got a bunch of vitamins that it's been fortified with, but it's filled with added sugar and or soybean oil and or all of these other things that a lot of people, I mean, people, this is changing, I think, but a lot of people still don't realize that they should be looking at those things as well when they look at the ingredients list. They think, oh, it's got low calories and some vitamin C, B, and whatever, and so it must be good.
Yeah, I mean, it's just the nature of the beast. Most junk food is heavily weighted towards plant-based, but there are animal junk foods, like I said.